Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can get started with Zoho CRM. So let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, currently I'm on my homepage in Zoho CRM, and this is exactly where you'll end up as soon as you create an account and log in. This is pretty much your overview. You'll see a couple of different widgets, such as the open tasks, meetings, deals closed this month, etc. Now, this is your own homepage. You also have the classic view, which you can access at any time. And as you can see, it has less widgets than your homepage does. The advantage of the homepage is that you can customize it by adding whichever widgets you want. For example, if you go here, you'll see that I created a test widget, which is pretty much last month growth, and locked contacts, which I also added, which is currently empty. But you can just easily go ahead, create a widget, and get from a dashboard, for example, revenue this month, name it whatever you want. I'll just name it test and then save it. And as you can see, it'll get added to the bottom over here, wherever it finds space, and it will show you whichever information you need. Now, you have that, and you also have a couple of different pages. For example, you have the leads page, which will show you all the leads your business has made, which are basically just people who you expect to become future customers. You also have all your contacts as well as the accounts of your customers. You also have several deals which you can edit and create. These are deals that your business is going to make in the future. As you can see, you can create a deal and track their progress as well. You also have tasks which you can set up for each individual type of employee. You can very easily just go to your homepage and create a new view, which is for specific types of employees, which you can then attribute to them and let them view their current tasks and whatever, analytics are relevant to them. You can also set up calls. You can create calls if you want between your employees and your organization. You also have reports and quotes, which I won't be getting into, but that is pretty much it. You just need to play around with these options that you have here and all the functionalities, and it is completely up to your creativity. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.